Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Unlock the phone, make sure battery isn't critically low, and open location settings. Tap the location toggle to enable core GPS services. Once done, you'll see the location icon in the status bar. This confirms system-level access. Make sure battery saver is off or set to allow location. Otherwise, the GPS may be limited. Also check airplane mode is disabled. Now that location is on, you're ready to refine accuracy and app permissions in the next steps. You now improve precision. Open Location right arrow Advanced or Location Services and select High Accuracy. This combines GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks for best results. Next, go to App Permissions and grant location only to apps you trust. Choose Allow only while using the app for privacy. Then enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning to help the device triangulate position indoors. Once done, close settings and leave the sky visible for satellites. These steps ensure faster, more reliable fixes when apps request your position. You're almost finished. Open Maps and check for the blue dot. Tap it to center and watch the accuracy ring shrink. If the dot is missing or wrong, toggle location off then on, restart the phone and try again. Make sure Maps has location permission and that no VPN or restrictive firewall is blocking services. Final tip: if GPS still misbehaves, reset network or location settings. This clears conflicting cache data and often resolves persistent position errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.